Well, hi guys. Here is the final update on the potato slips growing in the soil in this pan right here versus growing in the traditional, I don't know if it's traditional, but in the mason jars filled with water. And you know what? They're pretty close actually as a comparison. The ones in the soil are actually, the leaves are a little greener, they're a little bigger. So I like that. But there's quite a few actually coming on with the ones in the water. There's just a lot. There's a lot of them. And they seem to be longer in the water. Like they grow faster. So there you have that. I've got a couple of weeks before I can put them in the ground here in Michigan. But I think I do prefer actually growing them in the soil. They seem to be thicker and greener than the water ones. But I have gotten quite a few slips so far. It's been about a month. And I've got about 8 slips so far here that I've had in the water for about a couple weeks. So those are ready to go. Those are ready to go on the ground right there. And I've got plenty more that I've got to take off these sweet potatoes here, like this one. This one. I got a couple on the in the water. This one's actually getting kind of long. This one over here. But all in all, you know, for my first attempt growing slips in the soil, I am really liking the soil way of doing things when it comes to growing slips. We'll see how it turns out, you know, with the actual producing of the potatoes in the ground and in the straw bales. I'll keep note of that. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm digging the soil. I'm digging the soil method. Yeah, looking good, and I'm getting excited to put them in the ground. Like I said, it's mid-May right now, and I usually try to put everything in the ground right around the 1st of June. You know, that way the frost is well out of here. No more worries of you know, that freeze overnight. So there we go. There's the final update. I'm very happy. Both ways are doable. You know. Both ways are going to produce plenty of slips for you. And I'll actually probably do both ways every year, every season. But I am was pleasantly surprised by the soil method. All right, guys. Have a great gardening year. Talk to you soon.